and the dang water everywhere.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a little video so we can see where all the water is. That's water.
How's it
All the way to the
Is
hole.
it cold or hot?
That's cool. But I don't know how long
Because I
it's
never did this before.
been there.
But then, with 20,000 bricks yet to leave Salt Lake City, Coulthard gets devastating news.
I can't even get it open.
You can't open it?
So Daddy and I hair wet.
Your hair wet?
It's all the way out here down the hall now, too.
Yeah.
Right? What's even point? There isn't any soap in this banana.
Did you use it all last time?
Yeah.
Let me see. There's still a little in there.
I never even got my hair wet.
There you go. It's wet. It's wet enough. It'll work.
It's not even wet. I'm freaking dry.
Oh, see, I was wondering if it was coming out from under this wall. It's wet. It's not right in the
Running
very.
down the hall.
Yeah.
What would you do for
It's not.
You need to go get the daddy shower.
I can't. I'm salty.
Well, you can.
No, I can't.
We're not turning that one on.
Hang on. We'll wrap you up in a towel and take you just a
But I
second.
have freaking soap on me.
That's
Just wipe it
okay.
off your feet.